Let's take a look at this problem. We've got f of x is equal to x to the third minus 1 over x squared plus 3. Now, whenever your degree of the top is exactly 1 larger than the bottom, that's when you have a slant asymptote. Our degree of the top is 3, degree of the bottom is 2. And part A is asking us to find that slant asymptote. So we use long division. Now this one's missing some powers. So it starts out with x squared, but then it's missing the x and goes to the no x, the constant term. So I'm going to rewrite it. This is x squared plus 0x plus 3. I'm going to put 0 placeholders in there. This one starts out as x to the third. It's missing the x squared, so I put a 0x squared. It's missing the x, so I put the 0x. It has a no x, a constant term, so I just write that down. Now we take a look at the first term of each, decide what to put up on top. You ask yourself what times x squared gives you x to the third, and that's x. Now whatever we put up on top, you're going to multiply by what's out in front. X times x squared is x to the third. X times 0x is 0x squared. And x times 3 gives you 3x. The reason why you put 0 placeholders is so the like terms always line up. Well, we're subtracting this line, so we're going to flip signs. So this one becomes negative, negative, negative. We got x to the third minus x to the third, that drops away. 0x squared minus 0x squared, well those are both 0, so those drop away. 0x minus 3x is negative 3x, and then I'll bring down the minus 1. Now the degree of what we're dividing by is 2, and the degree of this is 1. When the degree of this becomes less than what we're dividing by, you cross that out, and our slant asymptote is up here. So our slant asymptote is y is equal to x. Now the key to graphing these is for a rational function, anytime you have more than a single number or a single variable on top or bottom, put parentheses around that part. So we'll put parentheses around the top, parentheses around the bottom. So let's see what that looks like. I'll press my y equals, press clear, do a beginning parentheses, x to the third, so x caret 3. If you got one of the near TID4s, you'll have to do a right arrow key to get out of exponent mode. Minus 1. Close parentheses divided by beginning parentheses x squared plus 3. And then close parentheses. And then graph. And our graph, more or less, looks something like that right there. That's as good as I'm going to do by sketching it.